The reason your haircut layers are probably lying flat is because it's not cut the right way. If you look at this haircut, and I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm just lifting, and if you notice when I lift the hair like this, what's happening? You're seeing every single layer in through here following the contour of the head. The way I cut hair is I cut hair the way it grows, which is out. And if you tend to get haircuts that are just, the hair's just lying really flat, doesn't lay right, it looks just, there's no life to it. Every time you get your haircut, it's probably because the layers are not being cut properly. This all comes down to, it's not you, it's the hairstylist or the hair professional who's cutting your hair. And this can apply to men's hair, women's hair, it doesn't really matter, it's really the haircut itself. Think about this. As I mentioned, hair grows out from the head. So when I'm pulling this hair out, think of cutting it the same exact way. So cut, cut, cut. And look at what that's doing. It's creating a fuller, more fluid, balanced shape that allows for the fullness. Chances are the haircut layers you are getting are probably a bit more square. Literally, think of what a square shape is. It's flat and flat. That corner is left. They're meeting here. This and this are meeting. So guess what? Look how flat that looks right there. It's just going to be like a box. If you eliminate that by rounding out that corner, like what I did in through here, aka making a fuller, more rounded shape, then that's going to allow your haircut layers to live and be very, very full and have all of that freedom and flexibility. I have a mannequin right here, just as an example, that has no layers to it. And look how flat this is. No matter what I do, if I brush this back, it falls flat. If I brush this back, it falls flat because all of this hair is weighing everything down. So this is a prime example of what a one-length haircut would do and why it'd be so difficult to get any sort of volume or lift in through here. And that's why it's going to lay very, very flat. Here's another haircut to where, you know, on this one you could see there is some movement. There's some layers. However, I'm able to lift like this. I'm able to get my hands in there, and all of that you could see in through here, how all of the hair is being lifted right out from the head. And that is why your hair is not really laying the right way and your haircut layers are just so flat. It's because it's not cut properly. What do you say to your hair professional? You could simply tell them, say, you know, look, I know I've been going to you for quite some time. However, I'm noticing that even though we layer the hair, it's still laying a bit flat. They may go to, oh, you need to change your products or your styling, or they may kind of get a bit defensive because no hair professional wants to admit that, oh, my haircut isn't bad, it's perfect, you know? But however, you have to call them out on it, and you can even show them by saying, look, when I hold this out, there's this big corner right in through here, and it's making this lay so flat. This is really flat. It's very square. I think I need more of a rounded shape to help with the fullness. Don't be afraid to say that, and then hopefully they won't take offense to it, and they'll understand and say, oh, you want more fullness. And then, yes, it has to do with the haircut, then the products and the styling techniques. So that probably is why your layers are laying a bit flat and you're not getting the result you want. Let me know in the comments below if you're having this type of issue. One thing I will suggest also is the products. I have my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray, which is a volumizing spray, which is incredible. I also have my product Beach House, which is a hair powder that's phenomenal. It's a sea salt hair powder. Just dab a little bit into the hair. It makes your hair feel actually really soft, and you're able to get that volume and lift. So I do have a variety of products that can help, shampoos, tools, all that stuff that you can see right here in the shop. But let me know in the comments below if this has helped you understand why your haircut layers are laying a bit flat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.